Hi guys, come spend the day with us here in Boracay.
For viewer, please announce who will be arriving ahead of schedule.
So we're currently now here guys in Jetty Port. So we're just waiting lang doon sa announcement para sa may transfer ng boat going to Boracay Island. Look at the water, it's so clear. Yeah. Bait ni Kuya.
That's good for tonight. Checkout will be on August 5.
Ayun, so basically, naghanap pala kami na makakainan. Nagdilim na agad, umuulan na, kaloka. Yung hotel namin, kasi biglang umulan. Dito lang kami kumain ng front sa Diamante. Sa Diamante. Tapos bigla siyang umulan. I don't know, yan. Ooh, let's eat. Yeah, so I ordered crispy, kare-kare. Crispy. Let's eat. Kahit umuulan. So, umuulan while waiting na mag-okay yung weather. Kasi ang araw kanina, tapos biglang umulan. So, natulampay kami rito and let's eat. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch. It's already 3:45 p.m. So, hindi daw. So, we went to Sand Castle. Yeah, Sand Castle. So, nagpa-picture kami doon. Maganda yung mga shot ni Kuya nandito. Ayan. So, we're gonna find merienda. Ayan. So, hindi na umuulan. Pero, ayun. Makulimlim lang siya. So, he's going to buy some
Just this three
fridge souvenir. Yes.
for my friends and
Yes. So for his friends sa Hungary. Ayan. Kami nakita akong isa, wallet pala ito, engraved din siya, for 50, and then, yeah, yeah, it's for my mom. Patay nga kuya. Evelyn. Yeah, so we find this, say hi. Ayan, ito siya.
I don't know where to
Milk
look.
tea, here. Milk tea, and there is shakes, and also juice. We ordered tayo ng ubi cheesecake, and Oreo. Maglalagay kami ng beach towel. Shakes. Sit down. And just having a sweet talk, sweet drinks together, enjoying the moment. Kasi walang gantong dagat sa Hungary, mga kami. Ayan. Nakakamiss yung ganito. Yan lang, madama.